Today we're going to learn about farm animals in English. Pig. Pigs are pink and like to play in the mud. They are very intelligent animals. They are usually pink. Sheep. Sheep have wool that is used to make clothes. They like to stay in groups. They are usually white. Donkey. Donkeys have long ears. They are strong and help carry things on the farm. Cow. Cows give us milk. They are big and have long tails. They like to eat grass. Horse. Horses can run very fast. They are used for riding and working on farms. Duck. Ducks like to swim in water. They can be white, brown, black, or green. They quack loudly. Goat. Goats like to climb on rocks and trees. They give us milk and sometimes meat. They like to eat grass. Cat. Cats often live on farms. They catch mice. They like to sleep a lot during the day. Cats meow. Goose. Geese like to swim in the water. They are bigger than ducks. They are usually white and have orange legs. Mouse. Mice live on farms. Farmers don't like mice, so they have cats on the farm to catch them. Mice have long tails and big ears. Turkey. Turkeys are big birds. They have feathers. People eat turkey at Christmas and Thanksgiving. Rabbit. Rabbits are small animals. They have long ears. Rabbits run very fast. They love eating carrots and other vegetables. Chicken. Chickens are small birds. They are birds, but they can't fly. Chickens can be male or female. Hen. Hens are female chickens. Hens lay eggs. They lay about 1 egg per day. Rooster. Roosters are male chickens. They are usually bigger than hens. They are very noisy. The sound they do is cock-a-doodle-doo. Question 1. Which animal is usually pink? Question 2. Which animal catches mice on a farm? Question 3. What is a male chicken called? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.